It's 11:42 p.m. You're lying in bed, phone in hand, typing out your to-do list like wake up at 5 a.m., walk, exercise, edit that video, call that person, read 10 pages. And then you set alarm for 4:50 a.m. and sleep. At 4:50 a.m., your alarm rings and you turn off the alarm and say, I'll do it tomorrow, and sleep again. But once you wake up, you feel regret and say, I'm the laziest. And then all of this keeps running in a loop and you can't do anything done. What if I told you it's not laziness? It's deeper than that. Let's break them one by one. Number 1, you're mentally overloaded. Your brain's not tired because it's doing nothing. It's tired because it's doing too much. Decision fatigue, information overload, constant comparison. You wake up already drained and then blame yourself for not feeling motivated. That's like blaming your phone for dying when you left it on all night with 27 apps open. Number 2, you're running on guilt energy. And then there's this lovely thing called guilt energy. You feel guilty for resting, guilty for not being productive. So instead of resting for real, you doom scroll in bed, eyes fried, mind racing. Super relaxing, right? Number 3, you have zero systems, only pressure. You don't need more motivation. You need better systems. Because trying to willpower your way through life is like trying to swim with bricks tied to your ankles. Set one goal per day. Use timers. Take real breaks. Don't wait to feel like it. Build a routine that works even when you don't. Number 4, you're emotionally exhausted. And let's not ignore this part. You're emotionally tired. Maybe you've been through things you never even fully processed. Family stuff, school pressure, friend drama, identity confusion. You carry that all day, every day. No wonder your brain wants to check out. Number 5, you're not fueling yourself right. And sometimes it's simple. You're tired because you're tired. Garbage sleep, no water, 3-minute meals. Your brain needs fuel, not just noise and sugar. Bonus point, your colors might be draining you too. And here's something almost no one talks about. The colors you wear can actually affect your energy, focus, and even confidence. I've already made a video on impact of each color on. You can watch that video from the right corner of this video, or simply, I will put that video link in pinned comment and description. You can watch from there. So you're not lazy, you're just tired, overwhelmed, and running without a map. It's not about trying harder, it's about taking care of your mind, your body, your systems, and even your colors. Because you can't hate yourself into being more productive, but you can understand yourself enough to grow smarter. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, and I'll meet you in the video showing over the screen.